Hey, Gracie. Gracie, do you know what social distancing is?
No.
Have you heard that before?
No.
Social distancing? Okay. So what it means is that when people are sick in an emergency like they are now, we're supposed to stay 6 feet away from each other. Do you know why?
No.
You want to find out?
No.
Yes, you do.
Yes.
Okay. What's in the Tupperware there?
Circle bed.
Okay, little pieces of bread. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a half a cup of milk. Yeah, all we got is chocolate milk. Can you hold the cup for me? You're gonna hold it over this. Here we go. Can you hold this? I'm gonna pour it. Oh, perfect. Oh, nice and level. Excellent.
Now can I pour it in?
You sure can. All right, and the next thing you're gonna do, can you throw that in this thing, please? All right. You sure are. Okay, now can you get 2½ tablespoons of, that's nutritional yeast, so do 2. Can you do 2 level?
2 of this?
Yep. Yeah, all we've got is the ½ teaspoon. Oh, perfect. Oh, look at that business. Excellent. Okay, nice and level. Perfect. Okay. And you can, hang on to that one. We're going to need that again. Okay, last thing. There's a little bit of salt in that last spoon. Can you pour it in there? Okay, and then the next thing I need you to do, oh, look at that goodness. All right. We're going to fill up the rest to the 1.
What one?
You'll see. I'll show you. There we go. Kind of watery, isn't it? Okay. Before we pour it, do you think you can mix it? Can I give you a spoon so you can mix it?
Yeah.
How's this spoon?
Yeah, good.
Okay.
How much?
Well, I think that is your prerogative. What do you think? Does it look well mixed?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm going to need you to do next...
It smells good.
It does? What does it smell like?
It smells like a donut.
A donut. Wow, that must be great. Mommy can't smell. Okay. So can you toss this in this thing for me, please? Okay. And then can you take the bigger spoon? And I'm going to need you to put 4 into each one. You're right. Yep. 4 in each one.
For this?
Yep.
1, 2.
Oh, you probably need a little bit more. What if I tilt it for you? Here. You know what makes it easier? Is if you go in like this. Yeah, just one more. Just for fun. And you're going to, so yeah, you need to do that for all the bread. You okay with that?
Put it in.
Yeah, put it in, honey.
Is it hot?
So Gracie and I figured out that you need about 24 seconds. Okay, can you hit time cook? This one. Yeah? And then the 2 and a 4. Yeah? And then start.
Is this?
Yeah, let's start. Okay. Tell me what you see.
I don't see it bubbling now.
No?
It's going to bubble soon.
You think so?
Mm-hmm. No, do you think it's bubbling? It's not.
Should we check?
It was not. Ooh, it was not bubbling.
Oh, you know what? I think this one had not very much in it or got soaked up by the bread. I think we're okay. It's kind of hot. Okay, how many different pieces of bread do we have? Can you count them for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, can you do me a favor? I want you to do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you do that for mommy? No, you gotta write. Can you write 0 on there?
0.
Yep, on this one right here.
A mark.
Yep.
That's the word line.
Well, you know how to write 0, honey. Yeah. Okay.
0.
Yep.
And now what?
And I want you to do 1 here.
A 0 there.
No, just write a 1.
A 1.
Perfect.
A 1 on here.
Nope, you're gonna do 2 on this one. Yeah.
2.
Yeah. Do 3.
Okay.
Yeah, it's tricky with all those bumps, huh?
3.
Yeah.
That's a 3.
Can you do a 4? You've done 4 before.
Yeah, I know. So we just do this and this.
Okay, yeah, that's 4. Do you remember 5?
I don't know how to do
It's like a backwards 2.
a backwards too.
So start,
Upside down.
sort of. Here, I'll help you. Okay, so we'll do, start here, go to the left, go down, and then swing around. Can you do 6?
Is that 5?
That's a 5.
What's upside down 5?
Okay, can you do 6? Do you know 6? Yeah. No, yep. You kind of loop in like a spiral. You know how to do a spiral. Nice. Okay. And I need your help with one more thing.
What's that?
Can you write some letters on this one?
Okay. How much?
I'll show you.
Do we write a 0 or
No.
a 9?
Neither. So you're gonna write K. Can you write K? Do a tiny little K. Yeah. And then a O.
Okay.
And then an N.
What a
Well, it's like a only you go up, down. Instead of up, down, up, down. Perfect. And then a T.
T.
Yeah? You know a T. Yeah. Can you do an
On the bottom.
Sure. Yeah. And then another O.
What was spelling?
Yeah, I'll tell you. And then a L. Yeah.
Dot.
Nope, just a L. So that says control. Okay. Okay, ready? You ready for the experiments? So what we're going to do is we're going to open these up. Can you take off all the lids? We'll put them back on, honey. Chillax. We're good. Yeah? You just put it right next to it. Ooh, look at that goodness. Can you open the rest of them up, honey? I'll help you.
Now it smells like a donut.
It smells like a donut.
And then it smells like a cake pop also.
And a cake pop? Oh man, that smells nice.
Oh, this chaos.
It's okay. Don't worry.
Why do we open these all up? Why do we open them all up?
You'll see. Okay. So we got this at the 12. This is going to be right at the end there. Got it at 24, 36, 48, 60, and 72. Okay. So can you stand right there? Okay. First thing we're going to do is we're going to cover our control. It is done.
Is this job done?
Yep, its job is done.
Nice. Put them down
We will, but first you got to stand up and go. I want you to look this way. No, stand right there with your toes right at the first one. Yeah. Okay, ready? I want you to sneeze. Choo! Okay, close them up.
All the way?
No, we're gonna leave them just a little bit open. There you go. And where do you want to put all these?
In the basement.
Okay, and we'll check on them tomorrow.